G'day guys, welcome to day 13 of our Cape York adventure. Today we spent the time fishing in the Wenlock River at Stones Crossing. We camped there the night before. It's a beautiful spot. The fishing is sensational and very important to mention that you need to be very crocodile wise in this part of the world, particularly when around the water. We're only in a small tinny, and there's a lot of people that fish it in a small tinny and they don't have any problems, as the crocodiles are quite shy, but you do have to be very mindful of it. Overnight there was a lot of crocodiles down at the crossing. You could hear them and you could hear grunting and splashing and carrying on and everything, and you'd shine the light down there and all these crocodiles would disappear back into the water. So something you do need to be very aware of. But it's absolutely a beautiful spot, and enjoy the video guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if you are in that part of the world, it's somewhere I would definitely recommend going to. Yeah, thanks guys. Come in here. In here. The camera's in completely the wrong place. It's alright, keep winding. I got it.
Pushing us out because otherwise my rod was going to hit it.
Sooty? Yep. Good sooty.
Oh. Shit.
Dinner?
Yeah, dinner. Oh, big coda. I'm trying to go.
Oh yeah!
Can you?
Look at that. Oh yeah. That's a cracker.
Real small hooks. The net as soon as possible.
Ah.
Yeah.
Driving a dart on me.
Stay it on.
Yo, nothing, it's a huck. Oh no, it's a sweet. Net and bolted. Rolling the whole time.
Oh, you fucker. The leader won't go through the eyelet.
Oh, just lift the rod.
Eyes are good.
I can't see.
Fuck yeah.
Hope you enjoyed that guys. Highly recommend, if you're looking for somewhere to have a fish when you're in this part of the world, then highly recommend it. And also as a camping destination, the camping is absolutely beautiful. And there's lots of spots along the river there. You just got, again, you got to be very mindful of crocodiles. We camped up well above the water in a high spot, and we camped in swags on stretchers. But if you are going to camp down closer to the water, you probably want a rooftop or something similar to that, where it gets you right up off the ground, because the crocodiles are there and you've got to be very mindful of it. In terms of lures, we used a variety of lures and had a success on a variety of lures. Everything, a lot of surface action, everything from poppers to frog style lures to walk the dog style lures. It really didn't seem to matter. They seemed to be quite happy to take just about anything. We did get some subsurface lures. Archie got a lot on stump jumpers and just basically general lures. It really didn't seem to matter. Whatever you sort of threw in the water, they seemed to fairly readily get onto. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video, guys, and remember to, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for next video. And also, if you want to add a comment, we're quite happy to hear comments, answer questions, or get people's opinions or anything like that. We're quite happy to listen to all that as well, and we'll definitely respond to you. So thanks, guys.